Welcome to the future of education management, where technology meets efficiency. Introducing Cyber School Manager, India's first school management software with a mobile app. Cyber School Manager is an integrated school management system designed to support all your school operations. It's adaptable, cutting-edge, and user-friendly, the perfect solution for modern schools. Here are the key features of Cyber School Manager: a multi-user account system, streamlined student admission processes, instant SMS and email notifications, and a responsive user interface accessible on any device. Plus, it includes a Payroll Manager, student fees management, and even GPS tracking for transportation safety. Cyber School Manager isn't just software, it's a community empowering over 250 schools, 3 lakh students, 20,000 teachers, and has 1 lakh app downloads. Whether it's managing admissions, tracking fees, scheduling parent-teacher meetings, or ensuring real-time updates, Cyber School Manager bridges all gaps between schools, teachers, and parents. Experience the change. Transform your school operations with Cyber School Manager. Schedule a demo today and take the first step towards smarter school management.